Hi, are you missing critical insights because of your leadership style? When leaders become too certain or too hesitant, they risk missing valuable perspectives, making decisions with incomplete information, and losing the trust of their teams. This creates a paradox, and the brain craves certainty because without it, it gets stressed and decision making and problem solving become more difficult. But too much certainty in a leader can create blind spots and needs to be balanced with openness to the opinions and ideas of others. Join us on the 29th of January at 12:30 p.m. for our next online live workshop. Lead with certainty, inspiring confidence and empowering change. Discover the neuroscience that shows us how balancing certainty with openness activates key areas of the brain, like the prefrontal cortex, the executive center at the front of your brain, and the ventral striatum, the reward center deep inside your brain. This improves decision making, problem solving, and team performance. We'll also explore how to navigate the paradoxes of leadership using brain science to unlock your team's full potential. Register via the link so you don't miss out. We look forward to seeing you there.